Hey guys, it's Cookie Native here, and I am playing, oh wait, hold on, who's that? Oh, it's just, okay, but I'm playing Hurricane Outbreak, and I'm going to play realistic version of this. Oh, jeez. Was me. I'm sorry I haven't been showing this, but yeah, I am going to also. Here we go. I need to have some places get ready. If you look, yeah. It's prepared in Puerto Rico. Prepared in, yeah. I just don't know what this stuff is. I know what Puerto Rico is. I don't know what this stuff is, but I know where it is because it shows you. I don't want to go to this cloud. Oh my gosh, it's just when a hurricane is coming towards you, and then it completely misses you. Oh my goodness, I want to get hit by a hurricane. I've never experienced it. And I'm just gonna turn right back around. You will never be warned. Blood. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love those. Oh, hold on. Sorry, hold on. I'm recording right now. I better not be in it. No, I'm playing a game while recording. Sorry, that was my sister. She didn't know, that I was recording while, playing a game, which I'm playing a game right now. Just getting into this hot. A hurricane is just going around the land and then just cuts through you, and then it takes a complete gigantic U-turn right towards where your family lives, which is near you in Puerto Rico. It just takes a complete U-turn. That would be just terrible. And it's only one of my very first times playing this game. And yeah, it took me so long to figure out what to do, and then I realized there's an upgrade on growing in the water. And now I know that that's what you have to do. Hey Cuba, is it okay if I can just cut right through you? I'm just killing Cuba right now. Don't go down to a tropical storm. It's like I'm a massive hurricane killing the bottom of India because that little spot right there looks like, yeah. I'm sorry you have to sit through all this. Oh my gosh, this game is so slow. Sorry, I just don't have any upgrades. I'm a Category 1 hurricane that's heading towards this. Guys, please don't be. This is what everybody's like in the world. Guys, please don't eat. He's gonna take another circle around us. And it's heading straight. Oh, I'm getting some prepared. I never noticed that. Get some of those vapor clouds. Oh, this would help me out a lot. Hurricane Charlie is about to hit a bunch of vapor clouds of water, and then it's going to grow super fast into a Category 2 hurricane. Ah! Guess the clouds are just in here. Weird.
Imagine that. There's your drink. But it's also it'll hurt definitely because if you lemonade in your eyes definitely would hurt.
Yeah.
Being cold.